What's the meaning of Beaujolais? Beaujolais. Beaujolais.
Beaujolais. Beaujolais. Beaujolais is a wine region in France that is located just south of Burgundy. The name Beaujolais comes from the Latin words bel locus, meaning beautiful place. The region is known for its light-bodied, fruity red wines made primarily from the Gamay grape, which is grown almost exclusively in Beaujolais. Beaujolais wines are often released just weeks after the harvest and are intended to be consumed young. The most famous example is Beaujolais Nouveau, which is released on the third Thursday of November and has become a popular tradition around the world. Beaujolais also produces some higher quality wines known as Cru Beaujolais, which are aged longer and have more complexity.